Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Shelby.
And I'm Laura.
And we're here for another day of our fashion jewelry advent calendar.
Let's see. I believe we're on day 16. Yes? Yes.
Yes.
Day 16. And we've got 2 bracelets to fill up and a necklace. Well, no, then I guess the necklace will just be a standalone. Ooh. What is this? Oh, it's got a little Santa Claus head and a red bead body.
It's Santa.
Is that not cute?
You can hold it
I like that.
like that, and they can see it.
Okay.
It's adorable.
Yeah. I want that one. Oh, that one right next to this one. That'd be so cute. I like that one.
Put it next to his Vespa.
Next to the Vespa, yes. I like that. Okay. Huh? I'm already picking out the ones I think I want. All right.
Here you go. I want this one.
Oh. Fine, I want this one. And you can have that one. There.
Yes.
All right. We got that taken care of. Well, tomorrow will be 17.
Yay!
Yes. So, what do y'all think we're going to get? A charm or a spacer? What do you think we're going to get?
Honestly, I can't tell what this one was. Is it supposed to be a charm?
I'm going to call it a charm.
And a spacer.
Yeah, it's a combo. I think we're going to get an actual charm next time.
One that dangles.
A dangly one. Yep. All right, Shelby, it's going to be up to you to pull out a dangly charm tomorrow.
I don't do well under pressure.
Just do your best. Think positive thoughts.
It's hard.
Hope you're having a wonderful day, and thank you so much for joining us. Please consider liking, subscribing. Tell us what you think we're going to get tomorrow. And
Come back.
be sure to come back. Thanks for watching.
Bye.